Our vision is to become the leading multipurpose port in the region, in the Caribbean area. Just to give you a fair eye view of the port, we have the container terminal. We are a multipurpose port, but we have segregated the port by cargo, berth by cargo. We have 6 berth positions. The port of Barranquilla in total has moved 9,400,000 tons. The port has 1,050 meters of linear berth, and depending on the length of the vessels, we can accommodate between 7 to 8 vessels depending on the length. Normally we have between 5 to 6. We have invested, or actually the Southern Cross, which is the owners, they have invested in 4 multi-purpose cranes. They have the capability to lift 124 tons. Our current productivity is 55 containers per hour, compared to previous years that we were doing about 19 to 20. That's basically on the new equipment that we have purchased and the mobile harbor cranes. We do normally have workshops where we exchange views and where we can improve from our side and where they can improve from their side. And also there is a huge integration between the public and private sectors, and we are all committed to grow the city. With our 94 hectares of land that we have, with the Magdalena River, with connectivity of Puerto Barranquilla, which I was saying that we have shares in upriver in a port. We want to become the multipurpose port, and obviously to manage compensation cargo. Like if you are loading a barge with bulk commodities, then we would like to bring maybe oil on our way back and being exported to here throughout Barranquilla.
Estamos muy complacidos de haber atendido esta visita tan importante procedente de Aruba. Para nosotros fue muy importante mostrarles el puerto, mostrarles cómo funcionamos y adicionalmente comenzar a abrir relaciones entre los dos países, el cual era el objetivo de la visita.